Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Yoast premium tools without license confusion. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To authenticate Yoast premium tools, start by visiting the Yoast website. Log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Navigate to the plugins section on the left sidebar. Locate the Yoast SEO plugin in your list of installed plugins. Ensure that you have the latest version of Yoast SEO installed. If not, update the plugin to the latest version. Next, click on SEO in the left sidebar. Select General from the drop-down menu. Click on the Licenses tab at the top of the page. You will see a field labeled License Key. Now, open a new tab and log in to your Yoast account. Once logged in, navigate to the Downloads section. Find your license key associated with Yoast Premium. Copy the license key with care. Return to your WordPress dashboard. Paste the license key into the license key field. Click the Save Changes button to apply. You should see a notification confirming that the license has been activated. If there's an error message, double-check the key for any typos. To ensure everything is working, visit the Updates tab under SEO. Check if the premium features are now available. Congratulations, you've successfully authenticated Yoast Premium tools. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.